thought about it? Imagine there's someone out there who spends their entire life making choices just to pull you down, to make sure you fail. Would you ever trust that person? Of course not. But here's the thing. What about yourself? But I'm not here to talk about how to get disciplined or how to get important things done because I've already made a full video just on that. It's linked in the description too, so if you want, go check it out after this. How many times you have done something that you knew was wrong, that you knew would only lead you to failure, yet you still did it? Maybe it was skipping that one important step that you promised you'd take. Or maybe it was giving in when you saw you wouldn't. And because of that, now your mind doesn't really trust you anymore. So when you set goals like, I'll do this, I'll do that, or I'll become better, your mind just rejects it. Not because you can't, but because deep down, it doesn't believe you. So what's the solution? But before we start, let me tell you that on my channel, I share the lessons to help people in my age to grow and improve step by step and reach our goals together. So if you're one of those people, what are you doing? Go subscribe now. Change the reason behind your goals. Don't just say, I'll do it for myself. Say, I'll do it for my parents because they deserve to hold their heads high when my name is spoken. Or I do it for the people I love, for my family, for my partner, my children, my best friend. And here's why this works. When your why is bigger than just you, your mind can ignore it. It becomes stronger than your excuses. I've shared it with my friends, and every single time it worked. It changed them in ways they never thought it possible. But here's the final step. If you want to rebuild trust with yourself, you have to do the opposite of what you used to do. If you used to break your promises, keep them now. If you used to quit, show up even when it's hard. Because self-trust isn't given, it's earned, one kept promise at a time. Now I want to hear from you. What's one promise you're going to keep yourself starting today? Because this is just a start. Your better version is waiting.